Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Redmi Note 10 Lite, and let me share with you how to change this navigation type with the buttons to the gestures. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find the home screen. Let's enter. As you can see, the second section is connected with the system navigation, so let's enter this option. And here we've got two different options from which we can choose. So of course, here we've got the buttons, which we've got currently applied. And here we've got the gestures. But before I'll show you how to set the gestures and how to use them, just a quick disclaimer about those options which are under those options, because here you can customize the buttons. If you will decide that you want to stick to this option, then you can customize it. So for example, you can mirror the buttons, you can turn it on or off just by tapping on the switcher, and you can simply reorder the back button and the recents. You've got also the button shortcuts. Of course, you can set some. So, for example, you can use long press back button to open, for example, the torch to show the menu, and so on. It's up to you. And the automatically disable navigation buttons, again, it's up to you. Let's focus on the gestures. So basically, in order to set the gestures, you have to tap on this option, and your device will ask you if you want to go through the tutorial. I don't want to do it because I'll show you actually how to use the gestures. And as you can see, actually immediately the three buttons will simply disappear. Instead, we've got this kind of line which will be responsible for particular gestures, sorry. As you can see here, we've got some kind of animation which will show you a hint of how to use the gestures. And here you can also customize them. So you can hide the full screen indicator, which simply means that you can hide this line. And I want to turn it on because I really prefer this kind of clean look. You've got the gesture confirmation. So sometimes in particular situations, so for example, during watching a video or playing a game, you will have to double your gesture in order to confirm it. Of course, you can turn it on or off. And here you've got the gesture demos. So now let me show you how to actually use the gestures, and it's really simple. So if you want to get back to the previous page just like by using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the left to the center or from the right to the center. It doesn't really matter, it works the same. And if you can see this kind of arrow, just release the finger, and as you can see, we just got back. And as I said, the same situation from the other side. So if you want to get back directly to the home page, then all you have to do is to simply swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and do it kind of fastly. It should be actually a kind of a short move. And as you can see, we've got the home page. And in order to open the recents, we have to repeat the motion, so from the bottom to the center, but this time do it kind of slowly and hold your finger somewhere here. And as you can see, after releasing here, we've got the recents. So basically that's all. This is how to set the gestures in your Redmi Note 10 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.